back into the battery fun. So I had to put some shims in here. Two 10,000 shims in between the post and the terminal here to get the thing to tighten, because Hyundai's got a problem with this. It crimps down too tight, or not tight enough, because it's pinched all the way, and it won't tighten down on the post. Well, their solution is this, which is kind of what I hillbillied. So let's see if this fits on here. I guess it kind of does. What it's supposed to do is be a spacer. Now hopefully I can get the post over this. Well, it's definitely tight now. I'll probably have to get a dead blow and drive it down a little bit, because now it's going to be too tight. But at least if I can get the battery tight, I think that's why I had the failures, is because it loosened up. They don't sell this piece, which unbolts here. You can easily take it apart. You'd think they'd redesign it so that you could actually buy this part with a little bit of a different clearance and fix the problem, but apparently that must be too hard for their engineering team to figure out. So I'm making some weird part that just fits over the top, I guess. Might be an easier solution. There we go. Let's see if it tightens down now. Problem is the terminal never got tight. Let's see if we can clamp it now. We still got a gap there, right in here, which is good. That's probably about all we need. Oh yeah, it's tight now. Okay, that should fix the problem. There's still probably a 80 or 100 thousandth gap right in here, meaning that it should work. If you got one of these, you might want to check it. I guess it was mainly our Santa Fe problem. This is a 2017 Tucson, but they all use the same battery. Obviously it's a problem on this one too, and that's probably why the battery failed, because it was never charging correctly and I didn't catch it. So now Hyundai did have it in for a warranty work a couple times, and didn't turn to me changing the battery before, so who knows if they didn't do something right there either. So anyways, something to check.